Okay, to set up my sheet, I wanted it to look nice as well. So you can see a lot of these are actually inserted images. So the words to do, the pictures, I've actually just inserted an image. There's lots of ways you can do this. So it's just going up to insert an image. You can use a Google image search if you want to put them in there. So you can see I can just put some pictures of some plants in, really simple. And it's just going to go over the top of the cells. It just makes it easier for me to move things around, to adjust, just to make that background of the sheet look really, really nice. And like I said, I've done the same for a lot of my text as well, so that I'm now not bound by the sizes of the cells or the text around it. It just means that I can easily maneuver it or move it. We can also change the colour of the background of cells, so you can just go to the paint pot at the top. And this is just all to make your sheet look aesthetically however you want it before we get going, before we start adding bits in. Obviously with borders, you can also change the colour of the borders, the size of the borders, and just again to make it look however you want it. You can use different techniques with how they look. And this is all about personalising your sheet before you get going, just so you've got the background you want, just so you've got the aesthetics of how you want it to look. Thank you for joining this journey, all about how to use Google Sheets to make our to-do list. Keep joining for the next instalment.